What's going on, guys? Thanks very much for tuning back in. Kevin here from Mersey Scents. Now, if you want to smell really nice and not find out the cheapest places to get your fragrances, you come to the right place. Now, today I'm going to do my first unboxing. This is a package being sent to me from Rosa Salas. Very kindly sent me it to review. Don't even know what's in it. Well, I sort of know what's in it, but I don't know all the rest of it in it. So I really do appreciate that. It just helps me keep my channel going. So I am humbled and I do appreciate it. So what we'll do, we'll rip it open and you can share it with me, see what we're getting inside today. So quite exciting this, if you ask me. So there we go. The bag's been ripped. And let's see what we've got in here. What's this here? We've got a bag. Oh, it's fell off the bottom there. Let's see, oh, the tops fell off. That's all it is. I've never opened one of these before, so forgive me. Yeah, now that one here we've got is Congo. Where is it? Sorry. Here we go, it's Congo. Now this is their version of Black Afghano from Nasamato. So we'll leave that one there for now. We'll leave that one here. And I think there's a few more little things in here, so we'll have a little look. Little thing here. Yeah, we've got a little box. That's the end of the bag. Yeah, that's the end of that one. Now, I'm not going to spray any of these yet. I'm just going to have a little look. A few little cards. A few little Rosa Salas cards there I've got. That'll do, I'll give a few of them out. Here's the little fragrances I've got. I'll have to review these one by one. That's the black tie. I'll have to look these up on the website, see what they are. That's black tie. This one is, I don't know if you're getting that there, Phantom Sombre. That's it. Yeah, Phantom Sombre. Is that what it is? Yeah, Phantom Sombre. What's this one? Oh Paradise. I'll have to look at these. Let me just have a look. That smells nice. That smells like a... No, I can't start smelling them because I'll just end up spraying them all on me. I'll leave these for another day. I'll just get carried away, honest. I like the little bottles though. I've never seen the 5ml in that size. They're really good, them. Have you seen them in 5ml and a 5 skinny? These are like little stumpy. These are nice. Leather Absolute. You can see that. It's a bit light. That's why you can't. See, that's it. That's a bit better. Oh, where am I going? Yeah, Leather Absolute anyway. That's that one. And this one is Cubano. So I'm surmising that's going to be some sort of tobacco type of one, which I really like. I asked them to send me some dark, heavy, boozy tobacco scents because they're my favourites. So it looks like I've got my wish. So I really do appreciate it. And I'll be trying all these individually, getting a bit of wear. But I'm going to go back to this one. I'll give this an initial spray. So here we go, Rosa Salas. Look at the box, presentation is brilliant. This is a 30ml, one fluid ounce in the US. 1 fluid ounce in the US. Nice little sign there at the bottom. Here there's Congo. Here's the number 030. Rosa Salas at the top. So I might have to peel that. Yeah. I'm looking forward to this. I've heard good things about Black Afghano. I've never tried the original, so I'm just going to go off this. Right, so here's the top. Now here's the bottle. The presentation is very good. Nice and snug. And here we have the bottle. Congo. So here we go. Give it a little spray. I'll just give this one an initial testing. because here you go, that's what the spray's like. Nice bit of mist. Whoa, yeah, that's nice. Whew. That's really nice, that. I've never really smelt anything like that before. I'm going to be smelling my hand all day now, honest. Definitely a heavy one, that. It smells like there's a bit of leather in it. I might be wrong now, but I can't smell leather. Yeah, that's a winter one. That's like a dark, heavy winter, cold weather fragrance, that one. So my first impressions of that, I really like that. That's very, very nice. But I'll give it a proper wearing. I'm going to give that a proper wear and give all these little ones here a good wearing. So if you haven't been over to Rosa Salas' website, get over there. They do very, very good versions of like niche houses and designers. I have looked at them before. I am aware of them, and I went on the website and I've received these. So I'm made up. I'm going to give all of these a wearing over the next few days before I do a full review. I think it's only fair. I don't just like throwing them on for a couple of hours and then doing it. I want to test the longevity, test how they work with my skin chemistry. But yeah, that's nice, that one. That's quite daring. That's right up my street. I don't like all the run-of-the-mill stuff. I like things that are going to like, no one's going to smell like, and people might not like them, people might love them, right down the middle. So it's one of them. But yeah, first impressions are very, very good at that one. Right up my street. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. That's my first little impressions. Obviously, I don't want to keep you too long. I just want to show you the presentation. Here's my box. I'm really, really happy with that and really, really appreciate it. So thanks very much, and don't forget, smell good and you'll feel good, and I'll see you soon.